What's up, fellow motor travelers? It's such a beautiful day for a ride, so I thought I'd get out and give you an update on the channel. Plus, I have some info on a pretty cool trip that's coming up. I'll share that right now on Moto Travel USA.
All right.
Well, welcome everyone. This is Mike from Moto Travel USA. First, I'd like to really thank everyone who has been watching the videos and those of you that have subscribed. Hopefully they're inspiring you or helping you out on your adventures, but it's really appreciated that you're stopping by and watching the content. I'd also like to thank everyone for their input as the channel gets started. Starting anything from scratch is no easy task, and a YouTube channel is no exception. So please keep the constructive feedback coming. It helps us evolve and become better. So what's happening at Moto Travel USA? Well, the first month has been great. No big hiccups, and good feedback is coming in on the videos that have been released so far. That feedback is super helpful, and it is appreciated. As far as new videos go, we have lots of reviews in the works, so we can share our gear experiences with you guys. So keep an eye out for those. Plus, we have more motorcycle tour and travel content on the way. We have some videos of riding to the Hawk's Nest in Pennsylvania, and then a video highlighting a few cool towns in upstate New York. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of that. And on the motorcycle tour and travel front, here's the first channel trip announcement. In order to celebrate the channel launch, I think a trip to the Blue Ridge Parkway is in order. In addition, I really want to break from this Florida heat and to just take an awesome ride along that road. So in September, we'll head up and ride the entire length of the Parkway from south to north and then back down again. Now, I've ridden the Blue Ridge Parkway quite a few times, and each time I go, I like to try to mix it up a little bit, do things a little differently, just so I can find new places to explore. And I think I could do this 150 times and still not find everything along the 400 plus miles of the Blue Ridge Parkway. Now, don't quote me on this, but thinking about it really quick, I might challenge myself to tent camp the entire length of the Parkway from south to north and then back again. Now, in the past, I have camped sporadically along the Parkway before, and it's awesome, but I alternated between hotels and campsites. So to just camp the entire length up and back would certainly have its challenges. At quick glance, though, there are a few well-positioned campgrounds all along the Parkway that are run by National Park Services that seem like they would work out really well. They start around mile marker 60 and go all the way to mile marker 400 and something. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I'll camp all the way up and then hotels back down, or vice versa. Or who knows, maybe just hotels all the way. It's really just the planning stages right now. But on that note, in addition to the trip, I'll also be sharing how I go about planning motorcycle tours with this trip. And a bit of a spoiler, I'm in the planning camp, not the wing it kind of camp. Wing it for shorter trips, yes, but I'm one that likes to plan, especially if it's going to be more than a couple days. While I'll still wing some things, I like to make sure I'm maximizing my time because I'm always looking for more of it. And I've found that if I plan well, I get to do a lot more stuff than just winging it. Plus, I minimize the times in the middle of nowhere looking for food, fuel, or a place to stay. That sometimes really sucks. Don't get me wrong, I do like to keep some things loose, but for lodging, gas stops, major scenic stops, I like to have those mapped out so I don't miss anything. In addition to the September tour, I hope to have some more information for you about a tour next summer That'll take a bit more time to plan out because it's going to be more days and longer traveling. Plus, there are a few things that have to fall into place to make sure that it can happen. So there's nothing concrete yet. However, I'll try to share that info with you sooner rather than later. The bottom line is, keep checking back to Moto Travel USA because we're putting out new content all the time and have some great stuff to share with you. Please keep the great feedback coming, and thanks again for watching. That's all I have this time, but I'll check back with you soon. Now let's go explore.